Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be opening up our Ipsy versus Ipsy Plus for October 2020. The regular Glam Bag is $12 a month. Inside here, we should have 5 beauty samples catered to our beauty profile. This is my adventurous profile, so this is not my normal profile. In here, there's going to be, well, I don't know what there's going to be, but it's going to hopefully be more adventurous makeup. I have a different age, different eye color, all different stuff on this profile. So this profile is not me. In the Glam Bag Plus, this is a $25 a month subscription. In here we should have 5 full-size products catered to our beauty profile. This is, like I said, my normal profile, so more neutral makeup, comfortable with makeup, correct age, eye color, hair color, all that stuff. If you are new to my channel, I am a cruelty-free YouTuber, so I basically only use things that aren't tested on animals. If I don't know if something's cruelty-free while I'm filming, I will put that on the screen right here for you, as well as the estimated sample size value if it's a sample, and the full size value if it's full size. Okay, let's just go ahead and get started. As usual, we will start with the regular Glam Bag. I do have a competition to see which bag I think is better. 9 times out of 10, I prefer the regular Glam Bag, but let's see what this month has in store for us. I did go ahead and pull everything out of the little package it comes in, but I can show you what the bag looks like. So it says Your Magic on it, super cute. And then it has this on the other side. Really like these bags. Very good for Halloween, big fan. Okay, let me go ahead and pull out the card. The card is basically going to have the theme for the month, which is Your Magic. The regular Glam Bag will have the full-size values listed. For some reason, the Glam Bag Plus, which has full-size products, doesn't even have the products listed at all. So I will let you know the full-size values of these products in here as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to pull out is from R&Co, which is cruelty-free. This is the Waterfall Moisture Plus Shine Lotion. It is for your hair. I will tell you that I filmed this already and put it on my hands, and then I realized it was for your hair. So, yeah. That happened. This is for your hair. I'm stupid. Anyways, here's the packaging. Really, simple packaging. I like this brand a lot. This just smells super clean, so I definitely will use that. It's just for like hydration and shine. The full size goes for 29 bucks, so I don't know if that's something I would particularly pay for, like basically like a hair mask, basically. I don't know. Okay, moving right along. Let's pull this out. Okay, so this is from Tarte, which is cruelty-free. This is the Maracuja. I don't know how to say that. Tinted Hydrator. So there's the packaging. I don't really know much about this. I'm not really into tinted moisturizers, not my jam, but this might be a good time to use one. I've actually been trying to use, I'm not using it today, but when I go to work, I've been using like a powder foundation, because if I wear like a liquid one, half of it ends up in my mask. So I might be into trying a tinted moisturizer just because it's more lightweight, and then hopefully all of it won't rub off into my mask. So the full size is 29 bucks, which is pretty much typical for a Tarte foundation. I do have a couple of their foundations that I really like, so I will give that a try. Let me see what the shade is. 34N Medium Neutral, which is, I think, maybe a smidge dark for me. I'm normally like a light medium neutral, but since it is a tinted moisturizer, I might be able to make this work. So definitely excited to get that. Okay, this next thing is something I've gotten like 8,000 times in all subscription boxes, not just this one. This is the Benefit Gimme Brow Plus. Mine is in the shade Neutral Light Brown, which is not right for me. I have dark brown, or like maybe medium brown, but not light brown. So there it is. It's not cruelty-free. I've gotten this so many times. It's basically just like a tinted brow gel, so, which is actually what I'm wearing today, but I'm wearing a NYX one. But yeah, the full size is 24 bucks. I don't think I would pay that for a tinted brow gel personally. I don't know. If you've tried this, let me know if you really like it. I've never tried it, so there's that. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is something I have received before. I think I actually still have it sitting on my vanity. Let me go grab it. Here's the one right here that I have. And then I'll pull out mine to swatch it for you. This is the Radiant Glow Highlighter from Ibuy, and the shade is 24 Karat Magic. I really like this brand a lot. I think their eyeshadows are like way underrated. Let me double check to make sure this is the same size as the one I have. So here's the one I just got. And then here's the other one that I have. It's like babies, little babies. But yeah, it's definitely the same thing, same color. I'm not sure if I mentioned this is a cruelty-free brand, so that's good. I'm gonna go ahead and toss the one I just got into a giveaway because it literally takes me forever to go through a highlighter. I have a sample of, what is it that I'm using right now? What is the brand? A Becca highlighter. And it's like maybe a little bit bigger than this, and it is taking me like forever to get through. I only really highlight my nose and my lip. I don't typically love highlighting my cheekbone just because I have texture on my face since I'm a little bit older. So anyways, here's what it looks like in the packaging. And let me go ahead and swatch it for you. It's like almost like a gold champagne color. So there it is on my finger. So really nice. Definitely a good highlighter. This brand, especially their eyeshadows, guys, so good. Like I have like, I want to say 3 or 4 palettes from them, and I really like them. Really good. Sorry, I really hate swatches if you're new here. So like as soon as I put a swatch on, I like wipe it off. So there's that. The full size is 14 bucks. So not a bad price for a highlighter, honestly. Okay, and we have one last item. This looks to be maybe a full-size item. Okay, so this is a blush from Ofra, and this color is right up my alley. I love like a mauve sort of blush, or like a dusty rose sort of thing. Like this is a color I would definitely pick. This is the shade Charm. I'll go ahead and swatch it. This might be full size. Sometimes they make the pans like a little bit shorter, but I think this might be full size. There it is. Let me go ahead and do a swatch for you. I've only ever tried a highlighter from them. I've never tried a blush. So there's that. Go ahead and swatch. So yeah, pretty good for a blush. I like it. I like it when blushes aren't like super pigmented because then you have to have like a more gentle hand. And I love blush. It's probably my favorite face product. So even today I kind of went a little overboard. So if it's more pigmented, I tend to go crazy. So this is really good. Excited to get that. And if this is full size, which I think it is, the full size is 29 bucks. So I don't know if that's something I would personally pay for a blush. You can get really great drugstore blushes, but I am excited to get it in this bag. Okay, so that's everything I got in my regular Glam Bag. It was all makeup except for the hair product and only one thing that I'm not going to use, and that's the Gimme Brow thing. And the other, this I'm not going to use just because I already have it, but yeah, pretty decent bag, I would say. Okay, moving right along to the Glam Bag Plus. Again, it's basically the same as the smaller bag. It's just in this little drawstring bag, so the design is the same. Okay, and here's the card, and let me see. Okay, yeah, so nothing in here. I can show you the other one just for comparison. If you've never seen one of these Ipsy versus Ipsys, this is what the other one looks like on the inside. You can see all the products listed there, and then here's this one. So I don't know why. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing is, oh, I don't know. I have 6 items here, and I'm not sure if I picked something with the points. Ipsy has the point system where when you review the products, then you can redeem points later. I have 6 products here. I'm not sure if I used points for anything. I don't know. Let's just call up and pull out the boringest thing first. This is from, I don't know how you say this, Dose. This is the Ultra Precision Eyeliner, and I might have picked this. I don't know. Anyways, it's just a black eyeliner. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. It is creamy. I prefer a pencil or a, you know, twist up liner. I'm not huge on liquid or like felt tip sort of liner. It's just not my thing. So definitely excited to get that. It's just black. It's just a black eyeliner, so nothing super special about it. Okay, let's move right along to this next thing, which I have tried before. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick from Thrive Cosmetics. and mine is in the shade Aurora. I don't know if this is the one I have. Let me go check. Okay, so I do have one, but it is a different shade. The shade is called Stella, which looked to be like a more light color. I don't typically use these except for like when I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye. That's really the only place I use them. This is the shade Aurora, like I said. There it is. So yeah, this is more like a, like almost copper sort of color, I think. Yeah, like a copper champagne. The other one's just a little bit more white. I'll go ahead and do a little swatch for you. I don't know if you'll be able to even see this. So yeah, you can see it there. I like this one, I think, a little bit more than the other one I have, so I definitely will use it. There's that. Okay, let's see. What do I have next? Let's just go ahead and do this. This is from Violet Voss, which is cruelty-free. This is a lip gloss in the shade Adore. Here's the outer packaging. Okay, I don't think I'm gonna like this. It's like super light pink. I don't think this would be a good color on me personally, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and throw this into a giveaway. I just don't want to open things that I am just not immediately drawn to and be wasteful, so I'm just gonna go ahead and throw that into a giveaway, so I'm not gonna open it. I did sort of rip the bottom here, but the item is not used. So yeah, there's that. Sorry I can't try it out for you, but I don't want to be wasteful, you know? Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. This is from Tarte, which we already talked about. It's cruelty-free. This is the Shape Tape Setting Powder. There's the box. You know, speaking of Shape Tape, I don't wear concealer anymore, guys. I just stopped wearing it. I think I've mentioned that in a previous video. I use concealer like to conceal a pimple or something like that, but I just don't wear it under my eyes anymore. I'm old. I have wrinkles. I don't care what anybody says. I can't get it to set and not have wrinkles like within 10 or like creasing within 10 minutes. So, but I do use a translucent powder, which is what shade this is. This is translucent, excuse me. Love the packaging. Like the lid is super cute. Oh, it comes with a little puff. Cute. This one has like a little mirror inside. There you are. Hello. And then it has the little, I'm not sure if you can tell. Yeah, you can. There's a little like sifter in there so you can kind of get up however much you want. Let me sift some of this down. I like them when they have the little sifter in there. I think it makes it easier to use. So I'm just going to put this on my hand. Ooh. So yeah, I mean, can you tell my hand's a little bit lighter? So it's definitely, I feel like would probably leave a white cast if I had to guess. I don't know, but there's that. I am not mad to get this. Tarte is one of my favorite brands, so I will definitely be using that. Okay, let's go ahead and pull out this next thing. This is from Lovecraft Beauty, which is cruelty-free. This is an eyeshadow palette, and it is called Basic Rituals. Here's the packaging. It's like got a holographic, what is that? Bee? Dragonfly? Some sort of flying animal. I think this is a great palette for this box, being like Halloween time. I don't like it. I'm not going to use this palette. I like the white and I like the black. And I don't know, maybe it's kind of growing on me, but I don't like this blue. I can't think of a time I'm going to wear like a royal blue on my eyes, maybe. I don't know, I'll have to think about this one. Maybe I can play around with it, but I don't want to swatch it until I try it. You know what, I'll just swatch it, because if I'm going to probably try this on my eyes, and I've never tried their eyeshadows, I've tried their blushes and bronzers. I'll go ahead and swatch a couple. Okay, so there they are on my hands, very dark. Hold on, I always do this to myself. Whoa. Okay, so maybe not whoa. I don't know, I thought they were buttery, but they're kind of crumbly. They're not terrible though. And like I've said before, swatches are not like how they perform on your eyes, but the mattes are pretty good actually. Like this is a matte right here, that's pretty good. I definitely will play around with this. Okay, and we have one last item, and this is from The Balm, which is cruelty-free. This is Girl Powder Cheeks on the Go. I have one of these. This is like the Auto Balm line, I have an eyeshadow palette from this, I believe. 3 blushes and a highlight. I am definitely drawn to this shade right here. I don't enjoy how small the pans are, but it does say create your own custom color by mixing any shade. So definitely will give that a try. I guess I can swatch the little highlight-ish shade, and I'll do the color that I really like, this bourbon, like mauve sort of one. They are powdery, but they're blushes, so I think they're supposed to be. So definitely pigmented. I definitely like those, so I really enjoy the balm. I mean, some of their products are hit or miss, but overall, I love the packaging. The branding is great for them, and I like a lot of their eyeshadows and I've tried their blushes, highlighters, lipsticks. Like, they're pretty good stuff. So there's that. It's interesting. Well, I guess this is a pretty good box too, because I got an eyeshadow palette, a blush palette, I got a powder, a highlight stick, and a lip gloss, so almost like a full face. So if I had to, and an eyeliner, which I don't know which one, I feel like one of these things has to be from Points, but either way, if they take out any one of these items, I feel like it's still a pretty good bag. I know I said in the beginning of this video that I typically enjoy the regular $12 Glam Bag more, but I think this month I might like the Glam Bag Plus just a little bit more. They are both really, really good bags. I'm not mad at either one of them. I think I only got that one item that's not cruelty-free, the Benefit Gimme Brow thing, so that's really good. But now I leave it to you in the comments. Let me know what you thought of my bags, and if you are subscribed to either one of these bags, I always like to hear what you guys got in your bags down below, because there's so many different variations of these bags. So it's kind of fun for me to see what everybody else gets. I don't watch other unboxing videos, so I don't know what the other possibilities are, so let me know in the comments down below. And if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. If you want to see more videos like this for me, more unboxings, and hopefully next month my dogs again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there, and I'll see you guys in a video very, very soon. Bye, guys.